how to use your Google Drive, like how to add your images or video or something like that, document type, anything you can save, you can store from your phone. Sometime we have lost lost our document, video or audio. That's why now we can store our document in Google Drive. Google give us 15 GB storage for our file. So let's begin. First up, we go to Google Drive, then click plus icon, then click on upload, select your file, okay, I like to select this. Okay, region. So your file will upload it. Okay, and now refresh it and look at this. Your images are uploaded. This is your image. So you can store here, or you can share it. Click on three dot icon, then click on share, then search for email addresses, like you can add an email addresses, then click on editor, commenter, viewer, only view. Okay, then click send, click here to send. Okay, now there are another option like copy link. Click here to share link with WhatsApp or Messenger. Okay, and there are huge options like print, rename, download. So after many years you can download from here your file. So thank you very much for watching this video.